Which of the following is not a type of force? Electricity. Calendar. Magnetism. The odd one out is magnetism, because electricity, magnetism, and pressure are types of forces discussed in the chapter. A calendar relates to cycles on Earth. Which of the following is not a way of classifying materials? Observing. Elements. Mixtures. The odd one out is observing, because elements, compounds, and mixtures are classifications of materials. Observation is a scientific principle. Which of these is not a weather event? Storms. Cyclones. Pori. The odd one out is pori, because storms and cyclones are weather events. A pori is an example used to illustrate scientific thinking. Which of the following is not a celestial body? Sun. Moon. Ecosystem. The odd one out is ecosystem, because sun and moon are celestial bodies. An ecosystem is a relationship between living organisms and their environment. Which of these is not a scientific principle? Experimenting. Human activities. Observing. The odd one out is human activities, because experimenting, observing, and measuring are scientific principles. Human activities impact Earth's climate. Which of the following is not related to the science of light? Curiosity. Mirrors. Lenses. The odd one out is curiosity, because light is bent through lenses and reflects off mirrors. Curiosity is an attribute that encourages scientific exploration. Which of these is not a life form discussed in the chapter? Plants. Animals. Particles. The odd one out is particles, because plants and animals are explicitly mentioned as diverse life forms. Particles are tiny components of matter. Which of these is not directly related to the scientific method? Investigation. Experimentation. Earth's climate. The odd one out is Earth's climate, because science relies on investigation and experimentation. Earth's climate is impacted by human activities. Which option is not related to forces? Solutions. Electricity. Magnetism. The odd one out is solutions, because solutions are a type of mixture. Forces can be any of the three: electricity, magnetism, and pressure. Which of the following is not associated with movements of the sun and the moon? Ecosystems. Sun. Moon. The odd one out is ecosystems, because ecosystems link living organisms and their environments. Calendar is for tracking cycles on Earth. Science. Curiosity and investigation. Investigation. Designing experiments. Forces. Electricity, magnetism. Classifying materials. Elements, compounds, mixtures. Light. Mirrors and lenses. Sun and moon. Calendars and cycles. Living organisms. Environments. Human activities. Earth's climate. Scientific principles. Observing, measuring. Pori puffs up. Think like a scientist. Science. Defiance. plants, ants. Question. Digestion. Forces, sources. Electricity, simplicity. Storms, forms. Particles, articles. Elements, revelments. Light, bright. Moon, June.